Hi, my name is Hannah Vogel and I own Vogel Roofing. I heard of Business 411 actually from following Liz on social media, so through Instagram. Honestly, I knew I had a good business, but my processes weren't established and our team wasn't super organized. So I saw that Liz had some programs that highlighted processes, organization, and sales training. So that's what led me here. Very confident and honestly way less stressed out after doing this class. 100%. Anyone in roofing, not only roofing, but in the construction industry, I recommend it. I would say just looking at your business as a whole and, listing out your priorities and what like the missing links are, and then speaking with someone from Business 411, and I feel like they'll be able to guide you on what's the highest priority and where to start.